Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Skout account password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to reset your Skout account's password, go and tap open your Skout application first. You'll need to go ahead and log into your account if you want to get inside your Skout account. In order to do so, you can go ahead and tap on any login options. Let me go and tap on the email option in the bottom left and tap on login with email. Now, you'll need to first enter your email address that is associated with the account. Once you're done, move on to the password text field, and if you remember your password, you can go ahead and type it in. In case you don't remember your password and you'd like to reset your password, tap on Forgot Password link right below the login box. Once you tap on Forgot Password, you'll need to enter your email for your Skout account and tap on Reset Password. Now, all you'll need to do is go and click open your email and check your spam folder. Tap on OK in order to receive the instruction on your email. Once you go open your email, you'll be instructed to reset to a new password. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to reset your Skout account in no time. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.